take a moment of peace. I leave behind the hustle and bustle, the noise and the endless ramblings in my mind. Now, with a determined thought, I let myself separate from them and gradually create a silent space within myself. It is a space without sound, without noise, a space of harmonious, relaxed feelings, feelings of peace, tranquility. I hold on to those feelings, and then in that peaceful space, every second, every thought is a drop of silence, and peace is added, expanded, reaching far away to create an inner lake, a source of my own serenity, peace. So whenever I want, just with a thought, drop by drop, I bring myself back, filling up that peaceful inner lake. And I also found myself shedding all the stress I carried, leaving only a sense of relaxation and peace.